Let's learn how to change the Facebook account in Monopoly Go. If you want to connect a new Facebook account to Monopoly Go, but don't know how to do it, you don't need to worry anymore because after watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go game. When Monopoly Go opens, you will be on the page with the game board. While on that page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking on those 3 lines, a large menu will open with several options. Among all those options, you need to click on the Settings option at the bottom of the menu. When you click on that, a page with only a few options will open. From those options, you need to click on the green Manage Account option. When you click on that, a page with several options will open. You need to click on the Disconnect option next to the Facebook icon. When you click on that, your current account will be disconnected, and then you just need to connect a new Facebook account. To do this, you go to the same page and click on Connect next to the Facebook icon, then connect the new account. And that's it. You have successfully changed the Facebook account in Monopoly Go. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.